Job was a man of great wealth, honor, and faith, living in a land called Uz. He was known for his goodness, always helping the poor and offering sacrifices to God to protect his children. But one day in the courts of heaven, Satan challenged God, claiming that Job was faithful only because of his blessings. To test Job's faith, God allowed Satan to take everything from him, but not his life. In one tragic day, Job's world crumbled. Messengers brought news that raiders had stolen his livestock, fire had consumed his sheep, and a powerful wind had destroyed the house where his children were feasting, killing them all. Despite the overwhelming grief, Job fell to the ground and worshiped God, saying, "The Lord gave and the Lord has taken away. Blessed be the name of the Lord." Satan wasn't done. With God's permission, he afflicted Job with painful sores all over his body. Job sat in ashes, scraping his wounds with broken pottery. His wife, bitter and heartbroken, told him to curse God and die. But Job replied, "Shall we accept good from God and not trouble?" Three friends, Eliphaz, Bildad, and Zophar, came to comfort him. At first they sat silently, sharing his grief. But soon they began accusing Job of hidden sins, insisting his suffering was punishment. Job defended his innocence and cried out to God, desperate for answers. Finally, a young man named Elihu spoke, rebuking both Job and his friends for misunderstanding God's ways. Then, out of a whirlwind, God himself answered. He didn't explain Job's suffering, but revealed his power and wisdom through creation, showing Job how little humans understand his plans. Job, humbled, admitted, "I spoke of things I did not understand, things too wonderful for me." God restored Job's fortunes, blessing him with double of everything he lost. He had more children, lived a long life, and died surrounded by blessings. Through it all, Job's story became a powerful testimony of faith and trust in God, even in the darkest moments.